Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KNDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and this thing has put in some lower lows here, so certainly updates need to be done here from the technical point of view. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that comes about is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So this area right here at the 915 mark is a level of resistance. What I'm going to do here is actually adjust this level up, because to me it's looking like more so the most important level of resistance is right there at the 970 mark, because that would be the gap close location to the upside. Now it did gap down, and there's not a huge gap, but I mean, like I said, there is a little bit of a gap fill area right there. So the big question mark becomes, first off, can the price even close the gap? But then the next big question mark becomes, okay, well, yeah, if it can close the gap, can it continue on though? And quote unquote continue on being defined and quantified as getting up through that 970 mark and staying up above it. So 970 definitely going to be a very important level for a couple different reasons. Like I said, first reason, that would simply represent the fact that the price, has closed the gap. But then the second reason, and probably most important, is can that gap close turn into something bigger in terms of a, continuation move to the upside. So watch that. If it gets tested, that'll certainly be a very important level to monitor moving forward. As far as levels of support, nothing fancy or complicated here. Just a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was down there at $8.20. So $8.20 will be that first key level to watch. And then if the price cannot quite hold above $8.20, next key level of support after that would then be down there right around $7.75. So overall, another rough day, but the week is still young, still 3 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.